Discover top-tier options that deliver clarity, versatility, and dependable performance for every shooting style. The best digital camera choices highlighted here help creators capture sharp images, vivid colors, and smooth video, making them ideal for travel, events, and everyday photography without unnecessary complications. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. KODAK PIXPRO FZ55 Digital Camera. The KODAK PIXPRO FZ55 digital camera is a compact, user-friendly option designed for everyday photography, travel, and casual content creation. Its 16-megapixel sensor helps deliver clear, detailed images, while the 5x optical zoom paired with a 28mm wide-angle lens offers flexibility for both wide landscapes and closer subjects. Whether you're shooting family moments or exploring new places, this lightweight camera provides a simple and reliable experience. The ability to record 1080p Full HD video adds more versatility, making it suitable for vlogging or capturing clips with smooth, natural motion. The 2.7-inch LCD screen provides a clear display for framing shots and reviewing your work, and the rechargeable lithium-ion battery adds convenience for all-day use. Its SD card compatibility, supporting up to 512 gigabytes with at least Class 10 cards, ensures ample storage for photos and videos. Number 2. Canon EOS Rebel T7 Digital Camera. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 digital camera delivers strong performance for beginners and enthusiasts who want crisp photos, easy connectivity, and dependable autofocus. Its 24.1-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor offers excellent clarity and color accuracy, capturing vibrant images in a variety of lighting conditions. The ISO range of 100 to 6400, expandable to 12,800, helps maintain detail when shooting indoors, outdoors, or in low light. With its 9-point AF system and AI Servo AF, the T7 delivers reliable focusing for both still subjects and moving scenes, making it a capable companion for portraits, action shots, or travel memories. The optical viewfinder provides approximately 95% viewing coverage, offering a traditional shooting experience many photographers appreciate. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC make it easy to share photos instantly or control the camera remotely from a compatible smart device. Number 3. KODAK FZ45 Digital Camera. The KODAK FZ45 digital camera is designed for users who want a compact, uncomplicated camera that captures quality photos and full HD video. Its 16-megapixel CMOS sensor works well for everyday shooting, providing clarity for both indoor and outdoor scenes. With a 4x optical zoom and 27mm wide-angle lens, it helps you capture wide landscapes, group photos, and closer subjects with ease. The ability to record in 1080p Full HD makes it great for casual vlogging or documenting events without the need for complex settings. The 2.7-inch LCD screen offers a clear view for framing shots or reviewing captured footage. Storage is also flexible as the FZ45 supports SD, SDHC, and SDXC cards up to 512 gigabytes with at least Class 10 requirements, making it suitable for extended trips or long shooting sessions. Its lightweight body and simple button layout make it ideal for families, beginners, and travelers who want a straightforward camera. While it's compact, it still offers reliable performance for capturing everyday moments. Number 4. Toberto 88MP Digital Camera. The Toberto 88MP digital camera offers a feature-rich experience designed for creators, travelers, and beginners who want high-resolution images and modern conveniences. Its upgraded sensor captures up to 88MP photos and records 8K video, providing exceptional detail for both stills and motion. The 16x zoom lens gives you the flexibility to switch between wide landscapes and close subjects, while quick autofocus ensures sharper shots with a simple half press of the shutter. Equipped with dual lenses, front and rear, it suits selfies, vlogs, group photos, and casual photography without needing extra equipment. The 3.2-inch HD touchscreen makes navigation intuitive and enhances framing accuracy. Built-in Wi-Fi allows easy transfer of photos and videos to smartphones for instant sharing, and HDMI output lets you display content on larger screens. This camera also doubles as a webcam for live streaming or video meetings. Number 5. Duluvulu 16x Zoom Digital Camera. The Duluvulu 16x Zoom Digital Camera is an excellent choice for anyone who wants 4K video, 48 megapixel photos, and user-friendly controls packed into a compact design. Its autofocus and 16x digital zoom help capture crisp, vibrant details whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or distant subjects. The 3.0-inch IPS flip screen rotates 180 degrees, making it ideal for vlogging, selfies, travel memories, or creative content creation. Built to be lightweight and durable, it's easy to carry on trips or daily outings. This camera includes multiple shooting features such as exposure compensation, date stamping, time-lapse, slow motion, video pause, and filters, giving users plenty of tools to elevate their photography and videos. Additional functions like face detection, smile capture, continuous shooting, beauty face mode, self-timer, and anti-shake add even more versatility. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.